Hi, I'm Diana, and if you're someone who's always filming things with your drone, or maybe you've got one of these little gimbal cameras, you know the importance of a micro SD card like that. And then this is the little adapter. And I know I've had it happen before where I've used a cheap little SD card and then I lost everything on there. So I don't mess around with getting super cheap cards. That's the number one important thing to me when buying one. I'm looking for something that's reliable. And that's why I went with this Lexar. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about it, and you can decide if this is something you want to get as well.
What I love most is how fast it is. You get up to 205 megabytes per second read speed, which means transferring files is super quick. And with write speeds up to 150 megabytes per second, you can capture burst photos without missing a beat. It's also rated V30 and U3, so it handles 4K video beautifully.
Something else I like about Lexar is they're testing their products all the time on different devices to make sure there's no little hiccups. So if you're looking for a quality, reliable micro SD card, definitely check this one out by Lexar.